So guys, today we're looking at the Scoopz app. So this is the Scoopz app, and they're marketing it as a TikTok alternative. They're saying, one, it's still got the likes, the thumbs down, the comments, the shares. You can go to people's profiles, and it does look very similar to TikTok. You have at the top right here, this is somebody that is actually on TikTok. She is on TikTok. But again, is it a TikTok alternative? Is it something that people are going to use? Because a lot of people in the App Store were saying you just see violence and crazy stuff on this, right? So they're unedited videos that you could see on this app. So we're going to go back to the home screen. And like I said, people were saying this app has very violent content, like it's unrated content. So just from scrolling, I don't really see the craziness that people are talking about. Because some of these videos, as you can see, are from TikTok them right here. So for me, I don't really see any noticeable difference between TikTok and the Scoopz app, to be completely honest with you. This is what Instagram Reels look like. These are all comparable apps when you scroll through this platform of short vertical video. These are what people are using as an alternative to TikTok, because TikTok is banned, then it came back, and some people are like, I'm just going to get rid of the app. So if you did delete Instagram or I should say, if you did delete TikTok as a whole, this is something that you could use. What I see is, when I go to my page, you can see I got 1,000 views, right? No comments. One comment. The engagement that you get on Instagram Reels really isn't there. YouTube Shorts, for example. This is YouTube Shorts, and I think YouTube Shorts does not do justice. I don't know anybody who just does YouTube Shorts and that's it. But we all gotta realize, if it wasn't for the platform TikTok, none of these other short vertical video content apps and websites would actually even be doing what they're doing. With that being said, I will talk to you guys in the next one. I think every app does what it's supposed to do, and it does it very, very well in their own right. I think TikTok, with the doom scrolling, does it better than any other social media platform. I really do. If it wasn't for TikTok, you wouldn't have all these other vertical video platforms like Scoopz or Instagram Reels, because Instagram Reels wasn't really a big thing until the TikTok algorithm really took off and it started gaining a lot of attention, because back then you were only allowed to do like 14-second videos, and that was it. YouTube never had YouTube Reels. That was not a thing. YouTube Reels was never a thing that they had. So here's what the YouTube Shorts looks like on a PC. it's not the most enjoyable thing. These are supposed to be done on a phone or tablet or just a touchscreen. But again, now with YouTube Reels or YouTube Shorts that they're calling them, you can do long form video up to 3 minutes. Same thing with Instagram Reels. I think it's about 3 minutes. TikTok, you can do 10-minute videos. So they're all trying to implement their own version of the shorts vertical videos. And who does it the best? Yes, you're right. Who does it the best? It is the TikTok algorithm. So as always, we will see you guys back here for another one. Let me know which app you use